How to change the window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search window animation scale from here. You will see window animation scale is here. If you want to change window animation scale, you will change window animation scale 5x, 1x, 1.5x, 2x, 5x, 10x. So you will select window scale from here. After change window scale, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.